Morning everybody, thanks for tuning in to this short video series that I'm posting over the next few days about getting some clarity and possibly resolution to some of the biggest challenges that you've got going on in your life at the moment. If you missed the introductory video that I posted a few days ago, can you please hit pause on this one and go back and find that one in my feed and watch that particular video, just so that you know what's about to happen over the next few days. Hopefully you've got a pen and paper and you're ready to roll. There's two questions that I'm actually going to pose to you. Essentially what we're trying to do is over the next day is get you to start thinking about things that you actually want in your life. When I do this process that I'm going to take you guys through with my one-on-one coaching clients, people are really, really good at defining what they don't want in their life. But what I want you to start thinking about starting today is what you do want in your life. So when you answer the second question, it's really important to frame your answer in the positive rather than what you don't want or in the negative. So another tip about the video series, please don't miss a couple of days and then jump ahead and answer the questions that are posed on that particular day. Please do the questions in order. There's a reason that they're posted in the order that they're posted in. But essentially, let's go. If you do have any questions, please message me or post a comment up on the blog or the Facebook page, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't hold back. Just don't wait. If you do have a question, please get it sorted as quickly as possible, because this could be a fairly significant moment for you in terms of making some changes around these issues that you're finding challenging at the moment. So why wait? Let's do it. So the first question that I have for you is, if you were to think about your life now, currently, and you can relate it back to those life categories that we covered in the survey if you wish, or you can just do a really spontaneous response to this question. What I'm after is, what I would like you to do is answer the question in terms of give life a rating. So on a scale of 1 to 10 currently, how life is for you currently, where 1 is rubbish, couldn't get any worse, to 10 being absolutely mind-blowingly amazing. And if you want, you can pause the video now and write down your answer to that question. Don't overanalyze it. Just try and go with the gut feeling that comes up for you straight away. And then come back to the video in a sec. I'll still be here. If you're moving on to wanting to hear what the second question is, the second question for you is, if you could describe your ideal, perfect 10 out of 10 life, what would that description be? So on a space in your journal or in your notebook there that you've got for this particular exercise, can you make some notes on that? What is it that you want? Go wild. Be totally unbound by any limitations. If you could have your ideal 10 out of 10 life right here, right now, what would that mean for you? What would it be? Describe it. Make it as real as you possibly can, but get it down on paper. It's really important, if you haven't got a pen and paper for these exercises that I'm going to get you to do, that you do get a pen and paper. It's a much more conscious process when you pick up a pen and you're looking at that piece of paper in front of you and you start connecting with the thoughts that are coming forward for you. And so what I'm saying to you is, don't type this up on a phone or an iPad or on your computer. I want you actually to put pen to paper and make it a really super duper conscious process. Switch the phones off, switch the computer off, switch any distractions off, shut the door, whatever you need to do. Just make this it's a moment in time just for you, and it'll work better if you're not being distracted by what's going on around you. So there you have it. You have 2 questions, a rating of 1 to 10 for life now, and then go crazy. What's your ideal 10 out of 10 perfect life? What would that be for you? What would that mean to you? And be as descriptive and all-encompassing as you possibly can. Again, if you've got any questions, please send them through. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. You can post a comment on my blog page. You can post a comment under this video on Facebook. And yeah, go well, stay warm again. The sun's shining in Canberra today. I actually had planned to post this video from up on part of the Centenary Trail, which I did as my early morning walk. I was there for sunrise, and I had a great background, and then the wind came up and it all went to the pack. So here we are back in the study, and yeah, have a great day everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow. See ya.